Welcome to Grasmere Campsite at Caister-on-Sea. This could be the shortest campsite review we've ever done, but that is not to suggest it's because we don't like Grasmere, because we absolutely do. It is a very small, family-owned campsite. And as you will see now, it's a very small area indeed. They do not do tents and they do not allow dogs. But to give you an idea of cost, we are paid £22 a night for hard standing with water, electric and drainage. It does have free Wi-Fi, although the Wi-Fi is not any good for streaming and it does drop off occasionally on our devices. But it is free Wi-Fi, and I think for £22 a night for the four of us on a hard standing pitch is absolutely fantastic value. Let's have a quick look around this very small site. So the shower blocks are individual shower blocks and they've been recently updated and they're very nice. I'll stick an inset picture in the video now. We have a small vegetable preparation area for dishwashing. So as you can see, there's individual shower units. I did say this is going to be a quick review, and it certainly is going to be a quick review because we've almost gone around the whole site already. Let's have a look at the laundry room. Here we have put the light on. So you have one laundry room. And we have the sand disposal, which is in its own little cupboard, I would call this, but again, absolutely fine, clean, does the job. Reception is that little building over there, but if there's nobody in there, then you need to pop to the owner's house at that door just there. So to gain entry and to exit is one single barrier, and the owner will either notice you at the window or you'll need to just tap on the door for him to let you out. Now Grasmere is just off the A149 in a place called Caister-on-Sea, and it's situated down a short narrow lane. So we chose Grasmere because of the reviews that we'd read, because it's family owned, it's not part of any club. Now the bus stops are literally just at the end of the lane from the campsite, and the number 1, 1A and number 8 buses will get you to Great Yarmouth. Like I said, everyone, I think that's probably going to be the shortest campsite review that we're ever going to have on the channel, but that doesn't reduce the fact that we love Grasmere. We found it a very pleasant place to stay. Now if you wish to book at Grasmere, and I'll put a link to the website in the description below this video, we found it quite a quaint way of booking our spot here, because it was done by post. We telephoned them, they sent us a form, we filled out the form and we sent it back. It is quite an old-fashioned way of doing it, but to be quite honest with you, we were quite happy to do that. It's lovely to know that it's a family-run business, and we would recommend it just because it's in a nice part of the country, and at the end of the day it is very easy to travel to other places, including Great Yarmouth. We hope, as always, you found our video helpful and informative. If you did, please remember to give it the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. There's going to be plenty of more campsite reviews coming in the next coming weeks, months and years, hopefully. We'll see you soon. We were about 30 miles that way yesterday, Alice. So from Grasmere Campsite, this is about a 10-minute walk. It's another beach. It is Sunday the 20th of June.
Father's Day!
Father's Day. present. And summer officially starts tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see about that. Show me again what you got.
This. Mum says it's part of a tooth.
Part of a tooth?
Yeah.
I've got a piece of tile. Or pot.
Let's have a look at the colour side, very good.
Pristine egg.
Pristine egg.